Hey makers, thinking about using Solidworks for 3D printing? Let's break it down to see if it's the right tool for you. Solidworks is a powerhouse for 3D modeling. Its parametric design lets you create precise, complex parts with ease. For 3D printing, precision is key, and Solidworks delivers with accurate dimensions and tolerances, ensuring your models are print-ready. It's great for functional prototypes and intricate designs like gears or enclosures. You can export files as STL or OBJ, and the standard formats for 3D printing, and SolidWorks even has tools to check for issues like thin walls or overhang before you print. But there are downsides. SolidWorks isn't free. Licensing can be pricey, and it's overkill for simple hobbyist projects. Free tools like Fusion 360 or Tinkercad might be enough for basic prints. Plus, SolidWorks has a learning curve, so expect some time to master it. So, who's it for? If you're an engineer, designer, or serious maker needing precision for complex parts, SolidWorks is a fantastic choice. For casual prints, you might want something simpler. Bottom line, SolidWorks is awesome for 3D printing if you need pro-level control and don't mind the cost. Got questions? Drop them below and happy printing. Subscribe for more 3D printing tips and hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.